There's a lot of things in this world that I can't deal with, but I just can't stand rude employees. Most of we have to deal with that one person here. That one employee the way you just want to reach over the counter and choke this. Let me get my burger with my fries. Burger with my fries and stop giving me so much attitude. And go large with it too. I don't understand where someone wanna come off. I get raped and I talk shit to the people where I make you get food for near my evening time. Cause if me no buy nothing, you not get paid. You out of one job. Or if you come off a ring to me. I understand say sometimes you have some dirty nasty customer where you need to put in a damn place. But you can't get up every morning with your face wrinkled up, come and walk, bex with the whole world. And anybody come up to you, give them a stinky attitude. If you never want RASS work, what you sending job application for? Eh?
What you sending job application for?
In this world, I believe that you should know your place. You will never see a dog playing any other role than a damn dog. Now, the faster you know your role, the better your life will be. Now, somehow you need to understand, say, you know for your work, no for my customer service. In your customer service, you feel serve me and serve me politely. You're not supposed to come in and you take out your problems for me. You could have the worst day of your life. When me look for you, you're supposed to have the biggest smile and the happiest and warmest of greeting. But your RASS ring. Me can't stand rude employees. Someone have some crocus bag face and some garbage truck attitude. If you don't want to deal with people, why you sending job application figure work? I want fast food restaurant where you know say every day people are going in your face. That don't make no damn sense. Know your place. When you figure out in a life say yo, you know say this me want to do, make sure you do research on it. And if you figure out from early say you go want to walk and talk to people every day, make sure say you know what customer service is. Let me tell you something. If you are a rude employee, if you are consistently accused of being a rude employee, go home this evening, yeah? Go home this evening, turn on your shower, full up your tub, put your dryer in there, your blow dryer, or if you don't have a blow dryer, find an electrical appliance, put in high water, but no plug in it. Put in high water, then you go in high water, then you plug in it, and fry. The amount of harder and no manners. How you come and rent off your dirty face? Not understand the meaning of customer service and being polite. Take your backside out here. You see some people make money draw them into certain jobs, you know, and them not understand the criteria of that job. Them never understand it, just the money draw them in, and when them go in there, them realize that them hate the job. But because of money, they still there in the job. And money drawing some of them. Money draw them in. And they don't know if you give people good customer service. Let me tell you something. At the 2012, this is the last year I deal with any farm of dirty, nasty, rude employee. If you feel work on garbage truck, go through garbage truck work and you can work in a people place where you have to give customer service. You hear me I tell you? You can rent your dirty self. Sweep out on a blouse and skirt. No carry no dirty problems you wanna have on your yard. Come let you out for me when me come to get customer service. You pay me money fee, so me want you to deliver good customer service. And you can't give me no stink face, and no frownsy face, no nasty camel face, no doodle face. When you see me, any problems you have, make them problems they go away. Make them go away. You hear me I tell you? Deliver good customer service, or else go run up in a one electric fence. If you are a rude employee, up in your eye and throw some hot sauce in there. Hot sauce your damn face. Go slam your finger in a one do. Go walk pa hot lava. After me I make your damn food. You want to rank with me? We just come in at the store to purchase what I purchase and leave. You know why your stinking attitude? Me just want what me come for and cut. If you are a rude employee, go skydive out of one plane with no parachute. Someone need to revisit what customer service mean and provide it to the people and we're coming out of place of business. Managers, if you find out you have a dirty employee when I provide good customer service, obviously them no want to work. Fire them backside. You can't have a dog attitude and expect to deal with human being. Clean up your attitude before you present yourself as a customer service representative. Whichever form you might want to be, cashier or what's it now. Some of them lie your shit. Cause as soon as you say you go call the manager and relax them dirty self and start treating nice and go on like them are the best. Move your shit. You know much people out there want to work, but would I gladly serve and deliver excellent customer service? Clean up your nasty attitude. You hear me I tell you? I cannot stand some of these musty, crusty back, nasty, rude employees. Subscribe and share. Like my Facebook fan page. Follow me on Twitter at Kevin2Crazy. Think it, believe it, and live to achieve it. Oh, Lydia. Yes, man.